Hey, it's MK, and I am back with another What Goes With It on Wednesday. And as you guys can remember, we made this gorgeous background with stamps and the packaging technique and some washi tape. And then I already had my picture and my title because they were sitting on my desk, just taking up space. This was a reminder, and then this was a leftover piece, I want to say, from the scrapbook summit fun. I don't really remember the exact in order of what those go in, but anyways, this is what I have, and so I will be, oh, that fits beautifully. That's what it's going to look like, you guys. Look, ta-da, it's done. No, I'm just kidding. Right here next to me, what I have is our, well, mine. There is no our, but it's mine, for this cruise. So this was my cruise from 2024. This is the kit still left in it. It's almost done. I'm about ready to break this kit down because this book is almost done. But this is one of my favorite pictures of us all three together, and it was at the very, very first port that we ever went to. And so I'm going to go through here and pick out some embellishments. I talked about some here and some up in here, or down in here. But I don't know if I'm going to, because now it feels like it's too much above our heads, and then maybe I'll just do one here and then something little to come off of Life Captured. I'm not really sure just yet, or maybe I'll just find some papers to add to what I've got going on. But I love the mat that this washi tape actually is creating. I actually really love how this looks all by its lonesome, but I need to do something. I found this right off the bat, and it just says friend. Even though I have multiple of friends, I might put this in here to fill that gap. I do have this little tag that I started, and I could possibly finish it. It's got washi on it as well. Oh no, look! Huh? I'll just use this, okay? So I've got this cool little tag that I could put somewhere, maybe up in here, and then put the friend, so that way it's got this going on like this. I'm not really sure. So let me see what I have there. I don't need any more titles. These are little bits of things, bits and pieces and whatnot, from various 49 and Market collections, as well as I'm seeing some Asuka things in here as well. Oh, I like the captain's wheel. I might bring in this one because it's already done, and then I don't have to use any more mixed media, because look at that. This one I felt like was going to be too big because I've already got this giant title, so I think this one's going to be amazing. Then I'm going to look at some flair, because why not? I think this is in the wrong spot. I've got a wood veneer that's in the wrong spot. So I'm very sorry. I will fix that here in a bit. So I'm going to dump out all of these guys and see what I have. I'm loving Vacation. That's awesome, but that's not what we're doing. This is kind of cute with the anchor. I love the little animals, but I don't know if it's going to be hard to use or not. So we will see. I love the ships. Oh my gosh. This is awesome, but I have one that's... I might bring that in because that's really cool. Relax. And, ooh, Vacation. Oh, I like that one. Okay. So I'm going to pick those three. I might only use the two, these two, just because of the fact that I already have the round wheel, and so that's three round things, and so I don't need a fourth, or I feel like one of these will become a fourth. But let me see what else I have in my little bin here. I have my box of washi that I already used, so I'm not going to bring in any more washi. This wood veneer is in the wrong spot, so I'm not even going to show it to you guys. And then I have Set Sail. Well, we actually just landed. I've got this cool, but I feel like it's not as bright. This cool twine. I've got some yellow bubbles. Nope, I don't think that is the right thing for me. So I'm actually going to put the bubbles inside here. so that way they're not loose in my little thing, because I've already tried to lose them once, right? Okay, so there is that. I am loving these cut off little squares, so I might just bring in these little cut off squares there. I've already got that, so maybe here. No, because I don't have a third one. I'm good. Okay, nope. No, no, no. The little crab, okay, no. So just a looking and seeing what I've got. I'm over buttons. I've got these little extra leafy bits, but I really don't feel like that's, I like this. But maybe instead of living the good life, I'll just put a something like this there, and it can go here. Oh, I feel like that's not, I'm really liking this more than I am something here. Hang on. What about that? And then I can put the word vacation like that. Okay, I think I like that. And then because I've got palm tree thing going on there, I feel like I need something over here just for a little bit of greenery. Okay, let me put all this stuff back and see what I have as far as little tickets and things. So everybody's always got to have little tickets and tucky bitsies. Okay, I like the orange. And I feel like this one needs to be just a little bit smaller. Alright, so I'm loving what I've got so far, and I'm going to pick out a yellow. And then I feel like this is a good contrast, but I'm going to go with this one instead. Yep, alright. And then I've got some butterflies. So I think I'm going to bring in some butterflies. These are 49 and, nope, they're not. They are Cocoa Vanilla. And so I've got a pink butterfly. I'm going to do pink because they match. They're matchy-matchy. This one's a little smaller, and I like that it's got the orange on it. Okay, so I've got that. And I'm just looking and seeing, that's a very big orange butterfly. So I'm just looking and seeing what other wildlife I've got going on here. Too big, too big. Some more greenery. I've got a blue butterfly, but I feel like there's no blue in my layout, so that's not happening. Okay. Yep, I think that's it there. What do I have over here? Over here I've got a ton of round things because that's how that works. I've already got a tag, but do I need another tag? Like, do I need it? Oh no, because then it's going to cover up all my washi. Okay. What about Vacation Good Life? Nope. Okay. And I have Our Paradise. Nope. Cruise Life. Nope, because I've already got the word life up there. Okay, Happy Day. That's fun. Nope. I don't think wordy bits are going to work for this one, to be honest. This dark green one says making a splash. Every summer, it's actually not summertime. So that's what's really hard. I like this, we were here. That's actually really cute, but I'm not really sure if I want those wordy bits, to be honest. And Our Favorite Place, Wander, some little flowers. Okay. Again, no with the wordy bits. Okay. I do have some of these already taken apart, which I love. So I might bring those in and call it good. Like clip these on somehow together and then call that good. I kind of like that. And then last but not least, I've got this little bit of yellow I could bring down in here just to give it a little bit more of something. And then I think I'm good. I think I'm pretty happy with those little bits. I don't think I'm going to pull out any papers because I'm super happy. If I do pull out a paper, you guys, I might pull out a black or this. Okay, I might pull out a black just because then I have this stark black background behind my photo mat that matches the title, but I'm not really sure. Hey, I found all my shells that I was looking for earlier. Yep, go me. That's how I roll. Okay, let me put all these back in where they go. Okay. Because I want to see what else is under here that I might be ignoring. I've got some chipboard pieces, and then I've got some, well, that's more round things that I might not use. But it says beach life, and then a couple round bits that I don't really feel like need to go in those, but that's okay. I'm not going to use any of those. Okay, so I feel like I'm good. I'm going to put this all back in here. And yes, if I do end up bringing in a photo mat, it will just probably be a black one, just so that way it sticks with this and it's not so in your face as far as this stark black goes. And then I'll have another black starkness, plus I've got the black in all of the stamping. So I'm gonna call this good. So come back on Friday, even though I pretty much made the layout right now, but come back on Friday and see how I figure this all out, see if I like it or anything, and then of course see if I mat my photo. All right? Okay, you guys, again, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate you guys and all the comments that we've been getting for the Messy Mondays and the What Goes With It Wednesdays, and then of course the Figure It Out on Fridays. We're loving this series. Janet and I both absolutely love this, and are super excited to see what you guys say about whether or not you want us to continue doing this. All right, you guys, again, thank you so much, and I'll check you guys all later. Bye.